Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a crossword puzzle in Canva. So first you may want to head over to canva.com and in the search bar, you can start searching for crossword puzzle. Then just press enter. So from here, Canva will then show you different creative crossword puzzle designs that you can choose from. So from here, just select the template that you want to use. Then proceed by clicking on Customize this template. So from here, you can now start customizing your crossword puzzle. You can change clues. All you have to do is double click on text to change it. You can also change designs in the left panel just by clicking on elements and search elements. Say, for example, you want to add heart, press enter. So you can add these elements to your design. And once everything is done, you can proceed by saving this crossword puzzle. Just click on file. You can change the file name, then click on download. Just select the file type. Then proceed by clicking on download. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Then we'll see you again on the next one. Bye.